Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to recenter your cursor on your LG TV. So I'm just using the Magic remote right here, and sometimes the cursor is not where I'm actually pointing. So what you can do is simply just use the D-pad, the directional buttons around the center little scroll wheel. And if you press this, it's going to make the pointer disappear. Then what you can do is scroll up or down on the scroll wheel and the pointer will reappear. And it's going to be in a more accurate position than it was before. So if it gets really lopsided or something like that, just press the D-pad and then press the scroll wheel and it's going to recenter it a little bit better for you. So hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.